In our digital age, videos are becoming an increasingly important form of person-to-person communication. As the demand for video creation and editing grows, so does the need for top-notch AI video editing tools. Fortunately, the market is brimming with exceptional AI-powered video editors. Here in this video, we will show you some of the best AI video editing tools. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's get started. Number 5. Lumen 5. Lumen 5 is a great video editor that is driven by AI and makes it easy to make videos. Its easy-to-use design and automated tools make it possible for anyone to make amazing videos in a matter of minutes. Lumen 5's ability to turn blog posts into interesting movies with little effort is one of its best features. Its editing tools, which are run by AI, make the process faster and easier to use than ever before. This amazing tool for changing videos has a wide range of great features. By using the power of AI, users can quickly and easily create material that looks great. Lumen 5 lets people make videos in many different ways, from professional quality motion graphics to interactive stories. This makes sure that the final product is captivating and interesting. Lumen 5 also lets you use a large number of high-quality music and video libraries. Users can easily use these tools to improve the general quality of their videos. The site also lets users customize their videos by adding their own media files or choosing from a wide range of stock photos and audio files. Number 4. Filmora Wondershare. You can take your video editing talents to the next level with Filmora Wondershare, which is software that is powered by AI and combines power with ease of use. This user-friendly application delivers professional-level video editing features such as automatic color correction, motion tracking, and noise reduction. Filmora Wondershare makes it simple and fun to create AI-generated videos that are both visually attractive and professionally polished, regardless of your level of experience in filmmaking. You have access to everything you need to bring your idea to life, including features such as customizable transitions, titles and graphics, audio effects, and the flexibility to edit on either a desktop computer or a mobile device. Number 3. Synthesia. This AI tool is easy to use and has features and steps that are easy to understand and follow. With just a few clicks, you can turn any blog post or piece into an interesting story by adding effects, music, and other things. You can use AI avatars to make customized videos without having to use real people or video tools. Easily make finished videos by having text scripts instantly translated. Whether you share your media or choose from the huge library on Synthesia, you have access to a huge number of media assets. With multi-track editing, you can combine different visuals into a single movie without any glitches. Millions of royalty-free images, audio tracks, and templates can be used to improve your projects. Natural language processing, NLP, is also used by Synthesia to instantly fix grammar, spelling, and formatting mistakes in your video script. Number 2. Pictory. Pictory is the best AI-powered video editing software for your short movies. Pictory lets you make beautiful videos quickly and easily, whether you're editing clips for social media or making videos for YouTube. With its easy-to-use layout, it's easy to move through the editing process. Pictory uses the power of AI to instantly find scenes, make subtitles, and fix any mistakes that happen while editing. Use the tools for making movies that you can customize to make videos that fit your vision. Multiple sources can be edited at the same time. Color correction and improvement can be done automatically, and you can use timed remapping to create interesting slow motion or fast motion effects. Integrate audio devices so that you can add music and voiceovers to your movies without any trouble. Number 1. InVideo. InVideo is the best AI tool to use if you want to make professional videos on your computer. You can easily make impressive videos without having to buy expensive tools or use complicated software. You can easily upload your footage or use existing clips, choose from a variety of templates and effects, and share. InVideo's powerful AI technology figures out automatically the best size and aspect ratio for your video, so you can be sure that it will look great on all devices. With a library of more than 50 AI-based templates, it only takes 3 steps to turn text into interesting movies. The user-friendly design makes it easy for people who have never edited videos before to get around. InVideo ensures that every video is unique and perfectly optimized for social media platforms or any other purpose. That's all for today. Give this video a big thumbs up and follow us to see more such amazing videos. Thank you.